Alright, let's get into it. Today I've got my hands on the OPPO Reno 8 and I'm gonna answer the question everyone's been asking. Is it actually worth your money? First up, unboxing. I pop the lid, and there's that classic OPPO packaging. Clean, minimal, and honestly it feels premium for the price. The phone itself? Super slim, matte finish, and that camera bump is no joke. Turning it on, the display jumps out at me. We're talking a 6.4-inch AMOLED panel, 90Hz refresh rate, seriously smooth. It's not flagship level, but for this price, it's kinda impressive. The performance? I've been testing the MediaTek Dimensity 1300 chip inside, and it flies through daily apps, games, and multitasking. No major hiccups, but you're not buying this for hardcore gaming. Now, cameras. The Reno 8 rocks a 50MP main sensor, and in good light, photos are crisp, punchy, and honestly social media ready straight out of the camera. Low light? Decent, but don't expect miracles. Battery life? Easily a full day, and with 80W SuperVOOC charging, I go from 0 to almost full in like 30 minutes. That's wild. So, is the OPPO Reno 8 worth it? If you want a stylish phone with solid performance and fast charging without dropping flagship money, this is a strong contender. But, if you're chasing the absolute best cameras or top-tier gaming, you might want to keep looking. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you pick this up? Thanks for watching.